Hey everybody, this is Cody Schaaf, Nebraska Realty. We are sitting in the Quartz, which is a floor plan by Richland Homes. Currently we are sitting in what's called the flex room. We like to give families some flexibility to do different things with different areas of the home. So this is where our flex room is up front on this, this particular property. So we're going to get up here and go take a look at the rest of the house and let you see some of the features. So as we walk through to the main space, first thing I want to hit on is our pantry. You can see the doors are open right now, just a great space. But what's really cool about this feature is when we close up the doors, it's just a nice clean look. So we'll slide over here and take a look at the drop zone. We've got drop zones in most all our floor plans. And just gives you a place to keep things organized for your family. And obviously the powder room on the main level. Coming out, I'm going to slide on back to the dining room. I've gotten a lot of good feedback about it with just the space it provides to give the bigger tables some room. And just the nice big tall windows to give you some natural light. And just a great space for the family. Direct vent fireplaces come pretty standard with all the layouts. And then what we'll do is we'll head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. I think you'll be pretty surprised with the size of the bedrooms. I know most families like to keep all their bedrooms all on the same level. And with this two-story, we provide 4 bedrooms. So we'll take a look at each of them. We'll start with bedroom 2. Swing out here and take a look at bedroom 3. Bedroom 4. And what two-story home isn't complete without the laundry being on the same level? Master bedroom, good space. I like the windows that we have in this to bring in some natural light for you. And we'll take a step into the master bathroom and take a check into the master closet. Well, thanks for stopping. This has been the Quartz layout for Richland Homes. If you're interested, give me a call, 402-525-1171. We've got lots available and different floor plans if this one doesn't fit your needs. Look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.